Hi everyone, good afternoon. Alis na naman kami for today's video. 5 o'clock in the afternoon now. Pupunta daw kami sa Corniche. So let's see what have there. So hindi gat ng garbage na to. So kikita na lang natin mamaya ang view kung ano. Uy, garbage ito. Cute. Cute. Nandito na kami sa Corniche area, naglalakad. Ayan, exercise. Binabalang kami ng asawa ng kapatid ni Serge. Ayan, walking there. Yes, baby, be careful. Go up, climb up. Hey, Nicole. Ay, natapos din ang takbo-takbo ko kay Nicole kakahabol. Ayan, nandito kami. Pupunta kami sa Corniche daw. Parang ganun doon. From there to here.
Summertime people coming here for relax.
Talaga? So we will go here also.
Yes, because
So you mean it's during Sunday it will be crowded here?
huh?
During Sunday, weekend.
No specific amount of the fresh air, river, everything.
Good. And now they renovated. They fix it. Yeah. This is river or beach? This is salty or? Ganda ng view. Ano? Ayan, ang ganda siya. I will really taste. River daw to. Ay. Ayan. River daw ito pero parang dagat. Ang ganda. Isipin nyo. Wow, si Tuyo. Yan, tapos na. Pauwi na kami. Alilakad pa uwi. Ang ganda. River pala to. Ano you imagine? It's a river. Kala ko sea water. It's a salty water. Pero hindi eh. Ang ganda-ganda. Biyak na si baby. Ayaw pang umuwi. She want to go in the sea and the river. Where you get that? Oh my God! Bye bye. And why have too much tears? Why have too much tears? Huh? What happened, Daddy? Talaga naman, Daddy. Direct gift. Direct gift to Mama. Mama's taking video. Here. Now, where's the plastic? Dito na kami sa car ni sister. Ayan. Teka, akit na. Pasok na. Go to Daddy. We'll make it. Apple and banana. Ayan.
After they go home.
Tol. Dahil taong gala kami, ngayon lang kami nakauwi. Galing kami kina sister. Nicole. Ayan. Nicole? What time now? You're still outside the house, huh?